So we're gonna do a little bit more peeking around the 4-door 330. The weather got kind of nice now after the rain passed, so I want to show you guys a little more around the car. I mean, again, you can see, looking down, I mean, look at those quarter panels. Excellent shape, solid, looks great. And even the bottom of these doors are still there. Rocker panels, a little bit of rot there. Rockers, bottom of these doors. A little bit of rust down on their fender there, but that's kind of typical. Grill, bumper, pretty much all the bright work on this car is like immaculate, minus this unfortunate little ding right here on the front bezel, but it's pretty awesome. The same you can kind of see along the side of the car here too. It's just great shape. It's even still got the Pentastar down there. It's cool. Rockers. Every one of these doors solid open and shut. Bottom of this quarter panel too. Little dent right here. This car's got a nice patina here on the roof. You can see in here it's really original still. There's a radio down there. I'm not sure if that was the right one for it or not. We've got our VIN there. Push button. Automatic. Keys still in it. We're gonna attempt to get this thing running here shortly. For now, I'm just giving you a little overview of the car. I'd like to make this thing like a cool family car that I could actually use and drive people around in, and redo the interior but leave the exterior all ratty and crummy looking like this. I mean, it's pretty cool the way it is. Let's do a little look here in the back. Got some hubcaps and back window trim. It's even still there. What's this down here? That's awesome. Those aren't like the creepiest old people you've ever seen. What do we got here? 1988, 1990. Shoot, I bet you that's when this car probably was last used. Look at that haircut. Look at that shroom haircut. That is so 90s. It shuts nice. Panel alignment, perfect. So now what I'd like to do is open up the trunk and see what's hiding in there, because I haven't even seen that yet. These original trunk latch, whoop, hidden. That's kind of cool. Use the old screwdriver. Haha! The old Fonz move. Ugh. Okay. Some extra spare tires. Can't go wrong with that. I mean, who needs some more good run flats, right? Looks like 3 have wheels, and there's a gas tank too. And the steering column. Original paint. This is usually the best preserved paint you'll find on a car. So in my experience, every time I find a car that's old, this is like the best preserved example of what the paint was. So it's kind of cool. You can even see here where they used to have probably the tire jack instructions or whatever. This is actually really solid too. Usually this kind of rots out there. Another cool thing is it's even got these original, I don't know what you call these, like these block stuff from falling down in between the end of the trunk and the quarter panel. Yeah, I mean, these things are 50 years old. What do we got here? Kid's ball. You always need spare shit, so why not? Solid. So let's take a look under the hood. Here's our slant 6. Again, as you probably might have seen in the previous video, it does have oil. Ow! Damn bumper. But we'll show it again in case you hadn't seen. There is oil. And it's a little bit syrupy, but it's not bad. So I'm hoping to be able to get this thing turned over. Here's the carb. We're gonna try and get this thing running. All right. Let's see here. Dirty ass old ground wire. Slap that on this dirty ass battery that I got. And okay, no sparks, no explosions yet. Let's just see if it'll even kick. What do you know? There's life. Oil light. Yeah, it's low on volts. Durango coming in to save the day as usual. Got a terminal cleaner somewhere, but I just don't know where it is right now. Oh yeah, that was just cranking. It was most certainly turning over. That is freaking awesome. Hell yeah. Go out any crap that's in and around the carb real quick. When it kicks, it's not just sending crap everywhere. Some carb cleaner. Just throw a little down there first. She is turning. She is turning. Needs more juice. Let me steal the battery from the Durango. Sorry, Durango. We need your battery. Okay. Okay. See what that does. Oh, no way. I think this thing's gonna turn over. Let's hit it with a little starting fluid. It's going. It is moving. That was it. It was kicking over. And this thing's about to run. First time in like 25 years. Let's get a little bit more fuel down. There it is. That was like a second. But it was just running. That's running, man. That is running. That is so cool. It's running. It's running, man. Some gasoline for you. Oh, man. It's going. She's running. I give you, ladies and gentlemen, 25 years of sitting. 63 Dodge 330. That is so cool. Now I'm gonna really clean it up, give it an oil change, check everything out, replace all the dry rotted hoses and everything, but holy cow, that is so cool. See this thing running. That is so cool. Okay, so now we know it runs. Thank you guys for watching, and there'll be more adventures to come with this car and the others like it. Till then, I'll see ya.